I'm Louise from Lark Tweed Creative, and in this video I'm going to show you how to upload a landing page template up into Kajabi. And so if you have a brand new Kajabi account, some of these areas might look a little bit different. But the first thing you want to do is you want to look at your sidebar here, and you're going to open the website sidebar and you're going to go into landing pages. And when you get to this area here, again, if you have a brand new account, it might not necessarily look like this. So an example of maybe something more familiar, so if I click on funnels, since I do all my funnels manually, I don't actually use the funnels function in Kajabi, but that's why it looks brand new. Yours would look like this too. And then if it's the landing page area, it might say new landing page. So what you're going to want to do is click on that. So we're going to go back to landing pages, and basically it should be the same button as this, but within that setting that I just showed you. And so you would click on that. And in order to activate that area of Kajabi, you just have to pick a sales page of any sort, whatever. It doesn't really matter which one you choose because we're going to delete it right after. So let's say we just choose the Taylor sales page, and we're going to click on Get Started. Just give it a title. I'm going to call this Test 01 and create. And what's going to happen is it's going to install the new template, and then it'll bring you right into the editor of that landing page. And we're going to jump out of the editor because we don't actually want to edit this template. We don't really want to live in it. We just wanted to activate this area, because once you activate this area, that's when Upload Template will appear. That button won't necessarily appear until you have activated this area. And so now that this area is activated, let's go and upload your template. So you want to make sure that if you've purchased, let's say, a sales page or waitlist page or opt-in page, those are all pages that would go into your landing page area. And what you want to do is you want to make sure that wherever you download those files from, wherever you purchase them from, you want to make sure that you remember exactly where they are, so that when you go to upload them to Kajabi, they're easy to find. So you would go into My Device, and where I use a Mac, so wherever you've saved the zip file, that's where you're going to go pull it from. And of course, you want to keep it zipped for this purpose. So you're going to click on the zip file, you're going to open it, and it's going to upload. And again, what's going to happen here is it's going to pull you straight into the editor. And there you have it. Your sales page, your brand new sales page, or whatever landing page you purchase is ready to update and edit. And as you can see here, it now lives here. So you might want to, if it's a purchase template, typically it will set to publish right away, versus this template that we just pulled from Kajabi is set as a draft. It doesn't matter either way, but once you're ready to launch, you definitely want to make sure that this is set to publish. And you might want to go and edit the details so that you can rename your sales page and set it up so that it's ready for usage. You want to change your URL slug to make sure that it's aligned with whatever course you're selling, or if it's a wait list, you want it to be easy to find, so a short URL is always best. And you might want to, for SEO, from SEO regards, you might want to fill these pieces out, and then you're going to click on Save. And then once all of that is set up, you are ready to go and you're ready to edit your file. And if you have purchased from Lark Tweed Creative, you would also get a PDF with all of the instructions, including this video. And it would also have links to Canva images of all the images that were used within the sales page or landing page that you're using. And so you can edit those. And I also have a video that explains how to upload those images into the new images into your file. I hope this helps clarify how to upload a landing page to Kajabi, and if you have any questions, please enter your questions in the comments below. Have a great day.